Well, there's a great one, a great YouTube on, it's Ella Fitzgerald, and she sang on the Andy Williams TV show. And if you type in Ella and Andy Williams, I think you'll get that. There's also another great Ella singing, that was her singing Loverman. And there's another great one, Ella and Mel Torme, presenting one of the awards at the Grammys, and they scat together just to kill you. I mean, I knew Mel Torme was good, but I didn't know he could hold his own with Ella like that. Oh, God, wonderful.